Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the GitHub repository discussion. So in order to do this, guys, you want to go ahead and click on your repository on the left hand side, and you want to go ahead and click on discussion at the top here. Now under the discussion, guys, you can go ahead and simply click on new discussion, and you have a few options that you can basically select from. You can say show all and tell, use Q&A, you can do poll, you can do ideas, general, and even announcement. So let's say I want to do an announcement. I'm going to choose the first option and I'm going to click and get started. And here you can just say whatever you want. So I'm going to say test announcement, for example. And then in the body, I'm gonna just say the same thing, for example, and put a few dots, right? And let's say I start my announcement, I click on start, and this is gonna post my announcement. And as you can see, it shows right up there, and that's an announcement. And as you can see, just basically say that announcement is there, right? And it shows the participants, it shows quite a lot of stuff right here. And you can always come here and write more comments and so forth. And people who are in the repository and have access can also react to this as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.